we're trying to appreciate why it is that differential forms are radically different from integral forms. And from a purely integral standpoint, not being familiar with differential forms, integral forms will always polarize themselves. And that polarity is almost an autonomic quality of limitation. Ignorance is pervasive, not because people are stupid, but because they really don't know. And so the response in wisdom was always to educate. If they knew better, they would do different. And it's the autonomic quality of ignorance that poses the biggest resistance to learning. And it does it in a variety of ways. One of them is through just sheer saying no, because the polarization stops you. But there's also the quality of resistance where one tries to preempt it and take over it, apply an integral command to it. Oh yes, well I know all that. And that furthers ignorance as much as saying no without even thinking about it. And in between, there's a whole variety of co-opting qualities that come into play. General